Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. My name is 11x11 or in English Mr. Puzzle, and today I'll create an Among Us character. Let's get to work because we have a lot to do. First of all, I will build its legs. Let's see. I'll make it red on the white side. And okay, I have an idea how to start. Good. You can follow my moves if you have a big Rubik's cube like this one, and you can create your own version of this, because it's not impossible. Okay, made the first leg. Now the second leg. Let's see. Okay, the cube is super heavy, so yeah, that's why I have problems with turning the cube, and I try not to touch the table too much because you know, the noise. Okay. Good. Now let's unite the legs. Let's see. Let me think about this. I think yeah, like this one. Good. Now let's build a head. I'm starting to be faster. I got used to the cube. And if you have suggestions for any other characters that you want me to create on a Rubik's cube, just leave them in the comments below. Okay. Now let's finish the head. Like this one. And it's already looking really cool. Good. And now let's make the, how it's called, the backpack. Yeah, let me think how I should put it. Okay, like this one. Okay, here. And the Android should be finished. Look at this, beautiful. What do you think? I think it turned out really great, really cool. That's all for today, my friends. Thank you for watching. I hope you'll have a great day. And if you want to create something like this, just follow my moves and you can create one yourself if you have a big Rubik's cube. Don't forget to leave suggestions in the comments below if you have if you want me to create any other characters from games or movies or anything else. Okay, that's all. Bye bye and have a great day, and see you next episode Sunday at 7 PM Romanian time as usual. Bye bye.